Hello everybody, this is Leah Yu, your home economics teacher. We have some beautiful fruits, veggies, and just beautiful colors out here, so I'm really excited about this class. I heard from your health teacher that you guys learned about the connection between your hormones and acne, and you got a little bit of teaser that what you eat can impact acne as well, and that is correct, and that's why I'm here. So today we're gonna go over the worst foods for acne, but also the best foods for acne. And I'm gonna be introducing 3 recipes that you can make for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with the worst foods for acne. Number 1 and the biggest culprit of acne is sugar. Sugar, I know we all love it. It's sweet. It's amazing. However, it does spike our blood sugar, therefore spikes our insulin level. Then insulin will trigger androgen, which is our male hormone, and then that triggers our oil production side to pump out more oil, therefore having more clogged pores and acne. So the best way to keep your sugar cravings satisfied is using an alternative like monkfruit sweetener. This doesn't spike your insulin. I actually replaced from sugar to monkfruit a while ago. The taste is the same, and you can also bake with it, cook with it, and it's great. Next is simple carbs. What is simple carbs? Some people call it like high glycemic foods. Basically, these are white rice, white bread, rice cake, which I love so much. But these are something that becomes glucose very easily in our blood. It spikes blood sugar, it spikes insulin, therefore the same kind of chain reaction happens of pumping out more oil and more acne. So instead of opting for simple carbs like white rice, opt for complex carbs like brown rice. Same goes to the bread. Instead of white bread, opt for more of a whole grain rye bread. The next thing is dairy. Dairy is basically milk or milk-derived products. I know from a lot of people's personal experiences, including mine, that cutting out dairy is going to save your skin a lot. While this subject is still being studied, in one study, women who drank 2 or more glasses of skim milk were found to be 44% more likely to have acne than the group who didn't drink the milk. So that kind of tells the strong correlation between dairy and acne. Let's move on to the best foods for acne. What you're seeing here, we're gonna start with vitamin A and vitamin D. These are 2 fat-soluble vitamins that are so important in improving your acne and also improving your skin health in general. I know some of you guys went on Accutane, which is the most widely prescribed acne medication that you ingest. That also has a form of vitamin A. Also, the topical retinoids, tretinoin, that is also a form of vitamin A. So vitamin A is literally the king and the queen of vitamins when it comes to skin health. Some foods that contain vitamin A, of course, sweet potato, carrots, leafy greens, also salmon. And vitamin D plays a crucial role in reducing and regulating your sebum production. Zinc is another essential nutrient that a lot of acne-prone skin is deficient in. So when you supplement it, it actually can help regulate your sebum production. Now, my favorite food that contains high amount of zinc is pumpkin seeds. So yummy. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids, which is actually my favorite when it comes to eating. These are healthy fats such as avocado, walnuts, extra virgin olive oil, salmon, and other fatty fishes like mackerel, tuna, sardines. This can really help bring down the inflammation within our body, therefore indirectly help to reduce our inflammatory acne. In the worst food, we talked about simple carbs, high glycemic food. So the best food for acne is definitely the opposite of it, which is low GI food or low glycemic food. This would include brown rice or rye, whole grains. So avoid those potato chips, avoid those French fries. Go for a more complex carb if you can. There was a really interesting study that was done in the state that proved the strong correlation between the low glycemic food and acne. There were over 2,000 patients that were placed on a low glycemic diet to lose weight. This study had nothing to do with acne or skin in the first place, but by the end of the study, they found out that 87% of the patients reported that they had less acne after being placed on this diet. So that kind of proves a really strong point of opting for more complex carb versus refined carbs. Next, we have antioxidant-rich foods. This is kind of a no-brainer. We learned about this in the chemistry class. Antioxidants can fight against the free radicals, environmental stress, oxidative stress that ages us, and also the inflammation within our body, which is related to acne. Some antioxidant-rich foods can include all the colorful stuff, leafy greens, citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers. So definitely eat your antioxidants. Last but not least, have your probiotics. This is kimchi. This is my staple in my everyday diet. It smells so good. Take care of your gut in order to take care of your skin. And your gut definitely loves fermented food like kimchi, yogurt, sauerkraut, kombucha. All the fermented food is going to be something that your gut bacteria really loves and creates that healthy environment for your skin. Effective acne treatment doesn't only include your skincare products, it also includes your food and your diet. So I'll be showing you some skin-loving, acne-improving recipes that are so simple and so easy to make. So follow along. We're gonna start our day off with a breakfast that is low glycemic. Grab your oats and chia seeds, some water or even almond milk, then add your antioxidants. We're gonna use frozen berries, monkfruit sweetener to replace sugar, and of course, we're gonna add that cinnamon to help balance our blood sugar. Then you're going to pop this into the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Once that's out, we're gonna give it a good mix. After mixing, you're going to add some zinc-filled pumpkin seeds and top it off with your healthy fats from your walnuts. And you're ready to start the day with your antioxidant-rich oatmeal that wouldn't spike up your insulin level. For lunch, we're having salmon salad with oriental dressing, which is super nutritious and very simple to make. So with olive oil, mushroom seasoning, and pepper or whatever seasoning that you prefer, just season your salmon and stick that into the air fryer for about 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Then for the dressing, mix olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mustard, soy sauce, sesame oil, gochugaru aka red pepper flakes, and sesame seeds. And mix that all up and set aside for now. So you're going to cut this beautiful bell pepper, add that on top of a bed of leafy greens, wash your tomatoes and add those in as well. And once the salmon is all done, you're going to pop it off, finish it with dressing, mix, and enjoy this beautiful vitamin-rich lunch. And now for dinner, a tofu kimchi stir fry. So with your leftover yellow bell pepper, tofu, and some broccoli, you're going to grab all of those ingredients here and add them into the pan with some oil and garlic. Stir fry that until it's a little bit golden brown and fragrant. Add in more veggies and mix that up just a little bit. And it smells so good here. I wish you can smell this. And then add in your tofu, mix that up as well. And of course, add your probiotic-rich kimchi. I added more to taste. You're going to add some sesame oil, soy sauce, and of course some oyster sauce to flavor. Stir that up until everything is cooked through, not breaking up your tofu. And then finally, put that on top of a bed of warm, low glycemic brown rice. Topping it with some sesame seeds for garnish, and there's your tofu kimchi stir fry. I hope you enjoyed all the recipes. Let me know if you guys try out the recipes. Tag me on Instagram at LeahYu. We'll love to see this colorful palette in your dish. You guys are gonna head to the art class now where you will be learning about the gut-skin axis. Enjoy.